Hi, I'm Alexis Bennett, and I'm really excited today to learn how to finally do negative space eyeliner. It's one of the biggest trends off of the runway, so I have Anna Marie Rizzeri here, who's going to show us how to do it.
So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna just prep your eyelid. I just go right for a beautiful, transparent, no color powder. And you're just gonna go really lightly all over the whole entire eyelid. And what this is gonna do, Alexis, guess what this is gonna do?
What?
This is gonna help that negative liner from not creeping up to your crease, okay?
Good
So then this way you don't have to police it all day.
Right, yeah.
All right, now we're gonna get right to the liner.
Okay.
It's easy to trace it out first so you know right where you want your lines to meet and end. So I like to just go right into your lash line, and very thin you're gonna apply that pencil. And this doesn't have to be perfect, you're just doing a little tracing. And now we're just gonna go in with the liquid liner. It could be a liquid, pen, or a brush, and this is easy.
What type of brush are you using?
An angle. It's good to always have 2 angle brushes with you, because you always want to brush with the liner on it, and then one that you keep clean that you could always do your quick cleanups if needed. So don't be afraid to go a little more dramatic on that. The trick is with a negative liner, it's just to have that space, that divot. So you're just going to take your favorite eye remover on a Q-tip, and I'm just going to come right down, and I'm just going to create that divot. And now we're just going to go in with a little loose powder and fill that right in. So basically, that is your negative liner.
Wow, thank you.
Do you want to see a mirror?
So easy, of course.
Alrighty.
Thank you. Oh, I love it. I could definitely do this at home.
See what I mean?
Yeah, this is super easy. Cannot wait to try this.
Alrighty,
Thank
trendy.
you.